a proper career. So uma ngikhuluma ngo-NCV, mhlawumbe kwengiqale lapho ekuthenini iziphi izinto esiyi-ofarishayo njengelangeni. Sine-program ebizwa ngo-NCV. U-NCV ila khona esithi noma ngabe kuthiwa you don't have u-matric, you only have grade 9, you can still equip yourself with ama-skills. So u-NCV uzokuthatha ukunikeze u-grade 10, ukunike u-grade 11, ukunike u-grade 12. Uphuma unani lapho une-skill, uthi ukufunda ube usebenza. Ngike ngahlangana nomunye nje wena ey'nsukwini ephuma esikoleni uyangibuza uthi ngibonile ukuthi uhamba nama-students, I take it as if usebenza college ngithi ya. And she's asking me, why is it that ama-students asema-college eqashwa kangaka? Ngithi mina wethu ama-students athe befunde begqoka amadadla no ngiyasebenza ngithi. So uthi ukufunda uthole experience. So by the time uphuma you're already ready to rock and roll. So that is one of the advantages of being in a TVET college. Okay, so nathi njengoba bese ngishilo ngicela silalele futhi attentively. So uzothola iskipha lesesilaphaya kunembuzo engizoyibuza mase kuphele le presentation. Nguthisha-ke mina-ke mangiqeda ukukhuluma ngibuza imibuzo. So we have Inanda, as I said, we have Tabela, we have Kwamashu campus in Mpumalanga, in Dwendwe, Tuzuma campus, Pinetown, and Gandhi campus, and then we also have Injanga, which is a skills center. Okay, so Njobate Semishilo, we have our programs now, no NCV. NCV lo kade ngisho ukuthi uma kuwukuthi awunawo matric no grade 9, you can enroll for their program their NCV, which is going to give you your grade 10, grade 11, and grade 12. And then bese sizoba no-NATED. U-NATED imuphi? U-NATED ilo esithi khona uphuma ne-diploma. U-NATED usuke uno-matric. So uma uno-matric uyakwazi uku-enrolla for u-NATED. So ka-NATED sinama-program ahlukene kabili. Sinaleya ka-business where you do business-related subjects, and then we have our engineering where you do engineering-related subjects. And then we have our leaderships and as well as skills. Okay, so e-learning is an accredited institution, guys. So uma uthi ufunde Langeni awuzoba na inkinga yokuthi qualification yakho ayikho recognized. We are recognized by the following institutions, and we have a partnership. Nalama institutions are laphaya. So that means if the qualification yaseLangeni, it is accredited and it is as well approved by the institutions and our relationship now. Sinaleya engithanda ukuyithinta kakhulu, which is uSitha. uSitha ikakhulukazi kulaba abazofuna ukwenza business related subjects with e-learning. uSitha uyakwazi ukuthi ukukhokhela i-stipend while you do your learnership, because uma wenza izifundo zaka-NATED, let me touch on business. Uma wenza izifundo zaka-NATED uba no-18 months awuspend at the skill, ube no-18 months whereby you need to be in a work environment. So ukuze kuzohlangana i-diploma yakho, wenza 18 months ufunda, ube nalo 18 months owenza use-the-skill, your in-service training. So uSitha usisize kakhulu ekuthenini usifundele ama-students ethu ukuthi akwazi ukuthola i-stipend. Uma esebenza athole leso stipend, kuhlangana i-diploma, and then you are ready to graduate. So asinayo inkinga thina i-accreditation, we are very much recognized as eLangeni College. Now our programs esinawo ka-business. Mufuna ukungena ka-business u-NATED uzokwenza leya program which is public management, we have management assistant, we have HR, we have business management, financial management, farming management, and many more. Programs esinawo ka-business. So for those who are interested in doing a business, these are the programs esinawo and many more. But sizonikeza amanye uma-vouchers lapha esinawo esiwaphethe. And then we have engineering, science, we have engineering electrical. ngisho also laba abangenawo grade 9 maningi njalo grade 12 maningi ama-programs esiwa-offerisha which are the skills program. Angithi siyazi manje ukuthi we are looking towards implementer i-4YR, and we're already in the process. Angithi siyayazi 4YR asiyazi. Okay, mhlawumbe uzoluthola lelo gama uzothola i-scheme. But with that being said, if YR says we need to equip you guys with ama-skills team. So laphaya sine plumbing, we have furniture making, bricklaying, construction, automated spray painting, air conditioning, refrigerating, ventilation, welding, automated repair and maintenance, end user computing, and as well as aviation and robotics. The aviation, guys, maintenance this is going to be implemented which is 2024. It's a new program. Ulabo who are looking forward maintenance and also we're going to have a beauty parlor. A beauty parlor massage, hairdressing. More especially hairdressing. Hairdressing Mina, I remember my little sister, she's overseas. I was like, why on earth would you go to school so we used to look down on it. But she is sending me money, $100 tips. But those are the things that we used to look down on. So hairdressing, please do come to Ilangeni Massasetho to say their cause. Interest on aesthetics, beauty, massage, please do make sure that you enroll for that course because you will never go hungry, believe me. More information on Ilangeni, we have a website which is www.ilangeni.edu.za, and then we have as well as let me say if you want to register or apply to use the same website. We also have a Facebook page, Ilangeni. We have Instagram to use that website, which is www.ilangeni.edu.za. Okay, so ngizocela ukuthi ngikhombise kancane just a clip ezokukhombisa nje izinto esizenzayo as Ilangeni TVET College. Okay, don't mind my beautiful friends. It's not connected. Okay, let's just look at some of visuals since the sound is not really projected there. Basically, Ilangeni welding. We also have for hospitality. Interested to sell in the hotel, you want to open your catering company. You can be able to do that with the qualification you have hospitality. Our programs, we have our students who prepare our meals for us. This is basically it. It's fun, guys. Ilangeni, best believe me. Yes, in the land, who peg up the now against campus. Thank you so much. You guys are beautiful. Such a wonderful.
So, briefly, duty in a campus out 7, books now 5 like we never now 2 Epita Maritzburg, or we in the Miso campus, Kanyana Riverside campus, Blessed City like 7 Steve Legal campus, 7 ML Sultan campus, Ritson campus, City campus, Kanyana Brickfield campus. Blessed Sibana faculty out 6. Ama-faculty wethu awu-6 kukhona accounting and informatics. Accounting and informatics uphethe ama-course afana nabo accounting management, kube khona internal auditing, kube khona taxation, kube khona ICT, neminye-ke neminye imikhakha esinayo esizoyithola kahle uma sesifika lapha etafuleni. Bese siba ne-faculty yakwa-applied sciences. Applied sciences unama-course afana nabo food technology, food and nutrition, kube khona clothing management, textile management, kube khona sport science and management, kube khona maritime studies esihlukanise kabili, kukhona shipping and logistics kanye nautical sciences. Shipping and logistics abantu abasebenza kwi-harbour noma echwebeni la kungena kuma khona imikhumbi, bese kuthi nautical sciences usebenza phakathi emikhumbini ebehamba nayo imikhumbi. So ngalena-ke ka-accounting and informatics mhlambe generally ama-requirements akhona ukuthi nje ube ne-accounting yakho ku-level 4, ube ne-maths ku-level 4, isingisi ku-level 4, uma une-maths lithi ibe lapha ko-level 5, level 6, so that uzokwazi ukuthi uqualify kahle. Kuyahluka-ke amanye azothi maths noma athi maths, that's why ngithi naye maths lithi akhona ayithathayo. Bese kuthi ngapha ka-applied sciences, i-science yakho nje ku-level 4, i-maths yakho ku-level 4, isingisi sakho kubani ku-level 4. Bese siba ne-faculty yakwa-arts and design. Arts and design unama-course afana nabo teaching, journalism, language practice, graphic design, interior design, neminye-ke imikhakha esinayo ku-arts and design. Kuthi nje nama-language akho aphasi ngo-level 4, in fact ngabo-level 5 ama-language khona uzokwazi ukuqualifya kahle. Akhona-ke ama-course azofuna i-maths, amanye azofuna i-maths lithi, kodwa awamaningi. Into ebalulekile ukuthi nje iy'fundo zakho uyiphase kahle ukuze ukwazi ukuqualifya. Bese siba ne-faculty yakwa-engineering and built environment. Engineering and built environment, sino mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, civil, industrial, electrical engineering, pulp and paper, geomatics, namanye ama-course ka-under ku-engineering. Acting ukuthi ube ne-maths yakho ku-level 4, isingisi sakho ku-level 4, physical science yakho ku-level 4. Kodwa uma ufuna ukwenza i-civil engineering, kubizwa ukuthi i-maths yakho ne-physical science yakho babe ku-level 5, bese uba isingisi ku-level 4, so that uzokwazi ukuqualify. But amanye-ke azothi at least ku-level 4. Nikhumbule-ke futhi ukuthi we are talking about minimum requirements. We are just not talking about but these are minimum requirements. And the competition is very tight, you must remember that. Then we have i-faculty ka-health sciences. Isingisi sakho, i-life science yakho, i-physical science yakho, i-maths yakho ku-level 4, uma kuyi-maths lithi level 6, ukuze ukwazi ukuqualifya kahle ka-health sciences. Amanye azothi physical science and life sciences, amanye athi physical science or life sciences. But-ke uma unakokubili, it's even better, it's more advantageous. Sikhuluma ngama-course afana no-nursing, somatology, radiography, clinical technology, child and youth care, dental assisting, medical orthodontics and prosthetics, homeopathy, namanye ama-courses nawo under health sciences. Bese siba ne-faculty yakwa-management sciences. Management sciences wethu ufuna ukuthi iy'fundo zakho ozenzayo uyiphase ngabo-level 4 and above, because uyahluka kona, awuze ube specific njengawo arts and design. Arts and design awukho specific, as long as unalawo uzokuya nokuthi i-course le ifuna ama-requirements athile, kodwa isikhathi esiningi ama-languages. But ngalena ka-management sciences kufuna ukuthi lezo ifundo zenzayo, because amanye umuntu waka-science uyakwazi ukungena ka-management sciences, umuntu waka-accounting uyakwazi ukungena, nomuntu waka-general futhi ngokunjalo uyakwazi ukungena. So lezo ifundo ezenzayo yenza sure ukuthi uziphasa ngabo-level 4 okungenani nangaphezulu kwalokho. Those are minimum requirements. So-ke eku-aplayeni kwethu-ke njengoba kade eseshilo umphathihlelo ukuthi siya-aplaya ngobani ngo-CEO wangithi, ngiyakhumbula ukuthi usho njalo, siya-aplaya ngo-CEO, Central Applications Office. Applying kwethu uye online uyobhala kunye CEO application, bese uya lapha ke ukuthi my application noma uthi application noma izothi apply, bese uklikha lo apply, izokuvezela kama steps ukuthi wenze njani. Uqaphelisise kahle ukuthi uma sowungena kuleyo site yaka CEO, ucreate ucreate profile yakho. After ucreate profile usuklika next la sewufaka khona ama-course ke lawa ofuna ukuwa-aplayela ngithi kuyezwakala. So sikhumbule futhi ukuthi njengoba sila oyisebenza nathi i-MUT, i-UKZN kanye ne-UNIZU nama-private colleges-ke amanye. So uma ngaba for example ufuna uku-aplayela kuna womane lama-universities, thina siye sithi-ke lawa ama-course ofuna ukwenza nathi awenze ube u-choice number 1 noma number 2 noma number 3 kungeqinga nawo. So uma uzo-aplayela kuthina kuphela, ngenza isibonelo, so le course ofuna ukuyenza okuyiyona ekupela ekuyona kushisa oshayo ngayo uthi-ke le yona number 1 wami iwu-choice number 1. Bese kuba khona eyesibili ukuthi if ever kwenzeka-ke ngisho ngayithatha le enye course elandelayo iyenze ibe u-choice number 2 no-number 3 ngokunjalo. U-4, 5, 6 suka ngama-course nje osuke wafaka ukuthi uma kwenzeka-ke mhlawumbe bona bakuthatha uma ukuthi bayashoda, but into esikhuluma ngayo number 1, number 2 or number 3. Kungenjalo noma uthi uphase kahle kangakanani, but ngenxa yokuthi ama-course wethu wafaka number 4 kuyezansi awukusa-consideration. Angithi kuyezwakala. So kubalulekile ukuthi siyiqaphelisise le eku-aplayeni kwethu futhi. Uma sowuyenzile i-application noma uswenza i-application, kunento abazokunikeza yona ekuthiwa i-easy pay number. Easy pay number yiyo le oyithathayo ozwa la ka-Pick n Pay, ka-Shoprite, ka-Spar, ka-Pep, eposini nanoma ika-apps uyokhokhela bani i-CEO yakho, i-application yakho, because uma ungawukhokhile u-250 we-CEO ayikho i-university ezothola ini i-application yakho because awukhokhela ngobani u-CEO. Kubalulekile ukuthi after uku-aplya kwakho then usuyokhokhela ini i-CEO application yakho ukuze sikwazi ukuthola i-information yakho sibone ukuthi siyakuthatha noma sikuthatha. Angithi kuyezwakala. So-ke uma-ke sowulokuzile so-aplayile-ke wahamba ukhokhela u-CEO, ngesikhathi uvula iprofile yakho kunani izoba ne-username kanye ne-password yakho. Leyo nto iyo ozoyisebenzisa kakhulu ekutheni uyilokhu uyongena uyochecka ini i-application yakho. So kumele uma sebekunikezile laphaya uyithathe lona uyigcine noma uyayishutha noma uyibhala phansi noma wenzani as long as uyigcinile nje. Iyona ozoyisebenzisa ukuyokwenzani, uyongena kubani kwi-profile yakho uyochecka-ke manje ukuthi i-status, because i-follow up uyithola kuyenza lapho kwi-profile yakho ka-CEO. Awufonelwa but kwenzeka ukuthi wenze njani ulokhu uyochecka because njengoba usaka-matric angithi sino-matric la ingena ngini. So nje usaka-matric nje uzokufake i-report lakabani laka-grade 11 ufayina. Akunandaba ukuthi no-1 noma no-1 as long as kuyi-report laka-grade 11 lakuvumela ukuthi ka-grade 12 lifake linjalo. But uJune wakho yiwo lo sozoqualifya ngawo-ke manje kulama-requirements lawashola ko-level 4, level 5, level whatever. So yiwo lo osozokwenza ukuthi ukwazi ukuqualifya ngawo. Ufaka wona uJune wakho ngoba izothini awaiting June results ila usozoku-uploada khona. That's why uzobe sokwazi lokuchecka uzothola lapho ukuthi okay kusafuneka ama-June results. Mase watholile ama-results aka-June uyawa-upload. No-September ngokunjalo, uDecember asinankinga kungakhathazeki sizotholela thina ungaze nje sizozibonela thina. Then-ke ilokhuzana so ekufakeni kwakho noma ama-results wakho ekuphaseni kwakho yenza sure grade 2 kona grade 12 ukuthi uma for example grade 11 wakho uphase kahle ngabo-level 5, 6, 7 yalokhuzeni noJune ugcine unjalo, yenza sure ukuthi lezi zifundo mhlawumbe ezo-5, 6 kanjalo uzikhuphule noma zingehli kodwa ngale kwalokho. No-September ngokunjalo because ubalekela ukuthi uma u-grade 11 wakho uwo-level 7 but mase ufika ka-June wakho usuwo-level 3 seyonakala-ke lapho usuthola ukuthi awusakhonza letisheki awusatheki ngenxa yokuthi usudropile phela ngithi. So kubalulekile ukuthi ama-levels ophasa ngawo uma kade uJune u-grade 11 wakho ulapha kutengantenga, yenza sure ukuthi uJune no-September bayanyuka. Ngamanye amagama into lento ithi phasa nje kakhulu uzuyofika ekugcineni. Angithi siyezwana. So kubalulekile ukuthi senze njalo. Siya-aplya-ke siloku-check-a-ke sifake-ke i-cellphone number yakho oyifakile. Ngicela wenze sure ukuthi awuyishintshi mayilahlekile, mayebiwe. Ngoba phela khona abantu abathanda ukuboleka izinto zabantu bengacelanga, bengasho ukuthi bayiboleke yabo. Kuyenzeka ukuthi umuntu ayibolekile ukuthi abheka ayisekho kanti ubeyiboleka nje akutshenanga. So mayebiwe noma ilahlekile noma mhlawumbe ubona seyingcole kakhulu wasuyayiwasha yabona uyifake uyifaka emanzini. So ifoni yesiyafa yenza sure ukuthi i-SIM swap uyayenza okanye inamba noyifakile uyayigcina ukuthi igcine isebenza ngoba ama-SMSs azosendwa kubani kuleya namba oyifakile. Understand alone. So ikakhulukazi ngasekugcineni lapho mase kuzobe accept ama-offer sekwenziwani ini sekwenziwa ngisho ama-entrance test. So thina ama-applications wethu okugcina vala ngo-30 September. So lapho sekusuke sekuthiwa khona sekwenziwa ama-entrance test, ama-interviews nani. So ama-SMS azobe sendwa kuleyo cellphone number oyifakile. So uma ifoni ifile noma kwenzekile yenza sure ukuthi uyayibuyisa lo number okanye uma uzazi ukuthi umuntu ongavamile ukuhlala nefoni uvamise nje ukuyipha abantu noma nje ukuyilahla ngandlela thizeni, faka inamba wazi ukuthi izohlala ikhona ukuze ukwazi ukuthola information yakho noma i-communication ngakithi siyahambisana. So lokho kubalulekile kuzokusiza kakhulu grade 12. Sinawo akhona nama-bursaries nawo nomasipala bazofike bakutshela ngama-bursaries abanawo, but-ke ama-bursaries akhona nje basilana nje ngiyacabanga ukuthi cishe sonke siyaqualifya ku-NSFAS esiwazi sonke. So NSFAS uthi umuntu o-household income yakubo iyi-350,000 ngonyaka noma ngaphansi kwalokho. So uma seyingaphezulu kwalokho awusaqualify ku-NSFAS. So uma ngaba i-income yakini nje yonke ifika ku-350 noma ingaphansi kwalokho uyaqualify ku-NSFAS. Bona kuvula lezansi ngabo October, November, December kanjalo. So uzobe sewubona-ke mase uvula bese uphinde uyawu-applyela futhi nabangithi siyahambisana. Ama-bursaries-ke akhona iningi funding ungayi-accessa nabo umasipala nje ukhona nje waxhumana nabo ze bakwazi nokuxhumanisa neminyango eminye futhi yakahulumeni engakwazi ukuthi kusize. Into ebalulekile kwakho ukuthi wenze njani uphase. Yiyo lento ezokwenza ukuthi ukwazi ukungena ukwazi ukuthola ama-bursaries. So uma ngaba uphasile nje kuyenzeka noma kuthiwa uyaqualify but ngenxa yokuthi uphasile nje amanye ama-companies angathi lo muntu uphasile nje but akakhombisi ukuyimisela, but uma uphase waphasa kwangempela nje wabona ukubonakalayo nokujabulisa kakhulu, then-ke bayakwazi ukuconsideration. And ubachelor pass grade 12 esikhuluma ngawo asisho ubachelor pass or distinction kuma-languages akho ne-LO phela sewuthi ubachelor lo. Ubachelor wakho awu-distinction kuma-major subjects akho nawo ama-languages akho including i-LO as well. That is ubachelor pass esikhuluma ngawo. We understand alone because khona umuntu othi nje unobachelor but umuntu uyabheka ama-points akhe awu-18 kanjalo yabo uphase nje u-LO nama-languages lezi eziyifundo waziphasa kancane waziphasa lezansi. So yenza sure ukuthi distinction bakuma-major subjects akho ama-languages akho kanye nani ne-LO because i-LO is very important engayithathi kancane. If ever uyifeyila noma ngathi uphase kahle kanjani kwamanye amalokuzana uyabona u-UKZN uzokutshela mase u-applyele medicine noma ungaziphasa zonke ma ingaphasi kwa-level 7 LO bakuthatha bazongicorrecta futhi mangiliphote but ike ukhumbula kwami konjalo. Amanye ama-course asho njalo ukuthi i-LO yakho uma ingaphasi kwa-level 4 mhlawumbe ikakhulukazi utility ukuthi khona asho njalo athi uma ungayiphasanga ngo-50% noma ezinye zingazinhle kanjani asikuthathi ngenxa yokuthi i-LO uyiphase kancane. So kubalulekile ukuthi nayo uyenze sure ukuthi uyayiphasa 50% and above, then-ke uzoqualify-ke lapho. Cabanga ukuthi sizobe silaphana-ke etafuleni for imibuzo nengicela ukuthi mphathi ohlelo ungangishayi. Ngicela ukuthi mhlambe ukuze lento yenzeke kahle asivele sipresente bese imibuzo siyithathe ekugcineni khona bezokwazi ukuthi umuntu ozimisele manje angabuye ayibhala into esisho noma imibuzo yakhe anayo angabuye ayibhala noma uyasirekhoda ngephethe ifoni khona ezokwazi ukuthi asibuze kahle ekugcineni. So imibuzo sizoyithatha ekugcineni after ama-presentations sizophakamisa isikhombe number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 kanjalo sihambe ngalowo sequence leyo ukuthi uba nophakamise kuqala. So uma unombuzo yenza sure ukuthi uyawugcina uyawukhumbula so that uzothi mase sicedile ama-presentation bese uyazibuza. Ngicela nje senze into eyodwa-ke manje before ngihlale phansi ngenxa yokuthi nibahle nje ne-uniform yeni yendle aniyishayi izandla. Siyakubuza bese ngiyakhomba ngithe-ke mina imibuzo ngizoyidedela emva kwama-presentation. Kuzoba nabantu abathathu nje bazophakamisa ngibakhombe bebuze imibuzo bese ngiyabaphendula. Asenze njalo-ke sibone bakhona yini abanemibuzo number 1, number 2, number 3. Alright, yes, number 1. Ini? Ya. Alright, umbuzo uthi kuyenzeka yini ukuthi ungabe nayo i-email uyakwazi yini ukuthi usebenzise eyomunye umuntu? Impendulo ithi yebo ungakwazi, kodwa-ke asik-encourage lokho ngoba ukuvula i-email awuzokhiphe ngisho i-send, ukuya nje e-internet cafe okanye efonini yakho nje ngedatha lakho, ungene ku-Google uyovula i-Gmail yakho, asimshayele izandla. Number 2. Very good question. Uthi kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi okay khona abasakhuluma uma usebenza eNSFAS uyawukhokhela? Impendulo ithi cha. Bewukhokhelwa thina igroup yethu sasiwukhokhela, so nina nenhlanhla sekuyibhasari akusawukhokheli, kodwa into ebalulekile yokuthi ungakushayela izandla lokho, ungakushayela izandla lokho. Kodwa-ke into ebalulekile ngifuna ukuphatha ngishaya. Into ebalulekile yokuthi grade 12 asibuyele khona abasakhuluma. Alright, sengizohlala phansi ngicela nje ungilalela kancane. Alright, into ebalulekile yokuthi uma sowufunda grade 12, njengoba ngithe mina ekuqaleni uyazimisela kusuka manje, nase-university futhi uyazimisela, akukhathalekile ukuthi ufuna kuyiphi i-university, ngoba uma ngabe uzofunda ufuna ku-NSFAS, then bese kuba khona into yokuthi uba nanto ethiwa imlens. So uma kukhona imodule oyifeyilile, mhlawumbe wenza 6 modules, lento isithi usunemlenze emibili, ngenxa yokuthi le module oyifeyilile awukwazi phela ukuyenza u-level 2 kunyaka olandelayo usaphele u-number 1. So ngalokho-ke kuzoba sekutheni-ke manje kufanele uqale wenze lezi ezinye izifundo zaka-2 but usenza isifundo sakabani saka-1, naka-2 kanjalo uqede usalokhu usisele lapha ngemuva ufike ka-3rd year noma ka-4th year, but kumele usasalelwe yilesiya sifundo lesiya. Uyabona loo nto ukuthi sesenza ukuthi ube nelokuzana nesikhathi. Kwesinye isikhathi uthole ukuthi uzofeyila isifundo esizokwenza ukuthi ka-2 singabi khona, kube khona isifundo ongezokwazi ukusenza ngenxa yokuthi kusakhona saka-1 osifeyilile. Ngithi uyayizwa into engishoyo, siyahambisana. So kubalulekile ukuthi uyipase loo nto. Omunye-ke ngifuna ukuya la ekuthenini, omunye uthola ukuthi uzofeyila nje mhlambe wenza ama-modules awu-6 bese ufeyila 3. Uthola ukuthi i-university uma ngabe ibheke ibone ukuthi njengoba wenza i-degree ka-4 years wafeyila izifundo ey'ntathu, kuyothi kule minyaka ewu-4 noma kule minyaka ewu-6 ngeke usakwazi ukuthi uqedele i-degree yakho within the stipulated time, then kusho ukuthi lowo muntu asemhlalise ekhaya angabe sakwazi ukuthi aqhubeke. U-NSFAS uzothi sicela le amali oyisebenzisile. Uyabona lo ngenxa yokuthi ufeyilile, so uzoyikhokha uma ufeyilile, but uma uphasile uyokusiza ukuthi wenze njani, uzokwazi ukuthi ufunde kuze uyoqeda. Ngoba into ebalulekile njengoba una grade 12, ngicela ukushiya nalokho, ngicela ukushiya nalokho ngipha kwendlela. Number 1, umuntu uxakekile grade 12 akalali. Njengoba ula usaxakekile awukwazi ukulala ungamtholeli grade 12 kuphela, awukwazi ukulala ungaphasanga, musa ukulala iy'ncwadi zakho ungazibhekanga. Number 2, umuntu ongazi uyabuza. Uyabona loo nto, angeke uze uduke ungenayo i-direction. If ever ngingaqhamuka umuntu la eza kuwe athi usedukile, yini ungambuza yona? Athi hayi ngiyazihambela nje angazi ungacabanga ukuthi uyaphila lo muntu ekhaya, because akazazi ukuthi uduka kanjani ungayazi. So i-direction noma ukufunda kwakho kukhomba ukuthi kune-direction ekisa somewhere. So if ever i-decision oyithatha namhlanje after this presentation izothi ngidecide ukuthi mina ngiyafunda nje angizazi ukuthi okanye nabantu kade abakhuluma labangibhedela, that is your decision. Ukuthi the information esiyilethe kuwe i-useless kuwena, you have decided to discard into esikunikeze yona esazi ukuthi na i-useful but wena wayibona i-useless. Uyabona lona, and ekugcineni leyo decision izothi isa kwi-destination yakho, izokisa kwi-destination ezothini awuseyona into ewutho empilweni, because usudecide wena ukuthi vele angiyila besho khona because bangibhedela, and akuzoba nayo i-direction yakho izokisa noma yikuphi. But uma udecide namhlanje ukuthi i-decision engiyithathayo ingisa kwi-destination yami, I need to have i-direction phela ezoya kwi-destination, angithi ayizona ngisho. So whatever namhlanje decision oyithathayo, make sure that it's a decision that drives you to your destination. Sishayile izandla.
Obtain la mamarks abafunayo, ngikwenze umzekelo. uvamisile ukuthi isikhathini esiningi kube khona i-program ezothi ifuna u-60 we-maths ne-physics. But wena uhleli phansi uyazi ukuthi soloko waqala ka-grade 12 u-60 akazuthola. Amathuba ukuthi ungene lapho are very slim. I'm not saying that it's impossible, but lawo mathuba are very slim. So kubalulekile ukuthi njengoba uzo-apply ube true to yourself. Siyazwana? Right. Number 2, when it comes to the application process of it, kunento esingayinaki esi-apply yini le i-ranking criteria. Uthintile kuyona uDr. Myers. I-ranking criteria ebaluleke kanjani? If kuwukuthi u-applyela a specific program, leyo program kufanele uyibuke because iyakutshela ukuthi yenze u-option bani. Noma bathiwa uno-7, but if yona ithenge into option 1, 2 or 3, wena wasuyenza option 4, automatically awusa-qualify no level 7 lapho. Siyazwana? Number 3, njengoba sisi-applyile, angithi sonke njengoba silazi na WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat. Yababona-ke laba baba-orange babeshutile bavumile bathi bano-Snapchat. Bamba, the very same way that you check your socials should be the very same way also check ngayo i-application process yakho. Wenzelani na? Wenzela ukuthi uma usu-applyile, if kuwukuthi i-program oyi-applyele isigcwele, i-notification uyayithola bayakutshela bathi choose an alternative program within the same faculty. Esikhathini esiningi-ke ngivamisile ukuyibona leyo message ngojana sekuqalele sithatha, meaning ukuthi wena noma bathiwa uqualify awusathatheki ngoba sekugcwele isikhala sakho sesithathwe omunye umuntu. Siyazwana? I-application process noma i-application fee at the current moment stands at 250. If kuwukuthi wena ushaya September unga-applyile uzobe usukhokha u-450, which at the same time that does not guarantee ukuthi uzothatha. Once yathi late application, amathuba okuthi ungene esikhungweni mancane. Siyazwana? Right, let me touch on iMangosuthu. eMangosuthu sinamafakhathi amathathu futhi. Sinefakhathi yaka-engineering, sinefakhathi yaka-management science, sinefakhathi yaka-natural science. If kuwukuthi unesifiso sokuthi ungene kumkhakha waka-engineering, iy'fundo esiyibukayo are the following: physical science, pure maths, physics. Siyazwana? Lezi zinto siphasa ngoba o-50 kusho ngaphezulu. Iziphi izinto esingayithola from your electrical to mechanical to civil to your construction management and quantity survey. Kuzokwenzeka-ke ukuthi labo 50 esibafunayo ungakwazi ukuba-obtain. Kwenzeka njani-ke? Angithi sike sizwe ngento esiyibiza i-bridging course. So let me touch base on the bridging course. The bridging course is designed for individuals esibabonayo ukuthi banayo i-potential yokuthi bayiphasiwe leyo career. However though, ama-minimum requirements abawakuthanga nakhona futhi kune-criteria. I-criteria lapho ithi at least iba no-45, 46, 47. Ihluka kanjani i-bridging course we-mainstream program? Ihluka ngokuthi wena if ungene ku-extended curriculum program bathi u-ECP bebenqabulela, i-program okusukayenza ayisaba u-3 years bathi u-4 years, but mase ugrade it is the same qualification. Siyazwana? Faculty yami yesibili is the Faculty of Natural Sciences. The Faculty of Natural Sciences is looking for the following subjects, but before ngize ngiyibale lezi ifundo, I am aware ukuthi kuney'fundo engingeza ukuyibala. This does not mean ukuthi awuqualify eMangosuthu. Siyazwana? Right. So natural sciences, life science, physical science, maths lit, geography, agricultural science, science. Siyazwana? Lezi ifundo siyiphasa kubalini, siyiphasa ngo-50 kusho ngaphezulu. Nizobona ubudlelwane bama-institution when it comes to i-pass mark. I am aware ukuthi i-pass mark ngamanje esikoleni you-40 noma you-30. You did. So from today onwards, wena no-30 senidlulele wenzelani? Wenzela ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi ama-requirements akho asevasithi. Because i-pass mark yasevasithi u-50 kusho ngaphezulu. Yikuthi ngefahlafahla. Evasithi if uthole u-44, i-rate. In fact, 45, if uthole below 45, uqala phansi. But ngisazoyichaza-ke emlenze ukuthi ihamba kanjani. So kuleya faculty bafethu yile siyithola, we've got a BSc Medical Laboratory, a BSc Environmental Health, a BSc Nature Conservation. Mangithi BSc, I mean Bachelor of Science, okusho ukuthi ama-degree lawo, ama-diploma programs ethi sinawo, i-Nature Conservation, Community Extension, i-Agriculture, and then it's Information and Communications Technology, formerly known as IT. If kuwuthi-ke wena unesifiso sokuthi wenze IT, imfundo engiyibukayo ukuthi maths or maths lit. If kuwuthi maths lit ngicela ulenze level 5, if kuyipure maths kuzoba level 4. If kune-physical science, it is an added advantage kuwena. Siyazwana. Siye kwi-faculty yokugcina, which is the Faculty of Management Science, lapho sikwazi ukufika ifundo for accounting, business studies, kube economics, kube maths, kube maths lit business. Siphasa ngobani? Siphasa ngo-50 kushona phezulu. Total points here for each and every faculty. The Faculty of Management Science, ifuna amapoint awu 25. The Faculty of Natural Sciences, ifuna amapoint awu 28. And the last and final faculty, which is the Faculty of Engineering, ifuna amapoint awu 8. Asingawabambi amasiko. Bangaki kamina abajabulayo ukuthi njengamanje njengoba bekamshini bahlale emakhaya, bahlale rest, and bazobe bengahlali nabazali. Ngicela ukubona izandla. Right. Mengathiwa yini ngijabulisa kakhulu because kunabantu abadala nizongamnika impendulo engiyifunayo. Iy'mpendulo engizokunika zona zizothi seduze nasesikoleni, zo-concentrate more, there are no distractions. But you and I both know ukuthi akulona iqiniso lelo. Ngithi into ekwenza ukuthi uzokujabulela ngakho ukuthi uzokuhlala rest and away from your parents is your freedom and independence. Angithi? Baba, this freedom and independence ejabulela kangako can do two things to you. It can either make you or break you. Njani na? If kuwukuthi wena, I understand the concept ukuthi ngoLwesihlanu, usuku loLwesihlanu nje alifana ngithi Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday alifana ngithi uLwesihlanu nje une-vibe yalo noma ngathiwa uyenze i-assignment noma uyenzile but une-vibe yalo ngithi bamba mawufika evasithi Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is always Friday. But njengomfundi ngamanje osenikeziwe iy'khali ukuthi understand ukuthi uma usuka njengamanje uyofunda kuzofanele wenze kanjani. As high institutions of learning, we normally say, learn to balance both your social and academic life. Knowing very well, it is thing to spend the money. But most of the time, 30% of the do it wisely. When's it at? When's the program? We have over 3 years, program 5 years. Says one. So we will take the year 2024 for my matriculants. Year 2024 is for you guys to be selfish and start saying whatever your friend says or whatever your friend tells you, you focus and tell me in the university, get my degree or diploma or a master's or doctorate. We are to with that being said, Program Director, I think I'll conclude.
Okay, so Izinez Corner, Howard College, Sine Engineering, Sine Law, Sine Human Development, Sine Music, Sine Nursing, Sine Architecture, Sine Housing degree, degrees, Mrs. Sibanama, Social Science degrees as well. And then, like I said, at Nelson Mandela School of Medicine, there's only medicine, or then, Westville campus, there's health sciences, there's management studies, there's also science in general. And then in Pietermaritzburg campus, in engineering, in law, in human development, in visual arts, in architecture, in science, in management studies, in theology, in social sciences. The NAMA highlighters, for someone who can tell me what's good in theology. Mrs. Sand, my theology. Sifundo sani? Oh, okay, yeah, no, yeah, it's a study of religion. So if ufuna ukuba umfundisi ideology is the best thing ever. Uma ufuna ukuba umfundisi. Okay? I'm gonna try to put it back. There's a lot of other aspects that are okay, included in theology, like counseling, psychology a bit, because is and whatnot. So yeah. Then the campus is teaching only. And then just a few facts about UKZN. UKZN is amongst the top 4 universities in South Africa that appears with the best universities in the world. So, and then UKZN is also the only university of agricultural engineering. It's in Palestine. And then UKZN is also but funny for this one. Okay, UKZN is also the largest university in sub-Saharan South Africa. Campus all 5. And then internationally recognized qualifications. So, certificates as UKZN, I will belong to 7 seconds. Cinema faculties are 4. Health sciences, humanities, agriculture, engineering and science, as well as law and management. My interest requirements, guys, because I always say you have to do the best that you can. Abantu abazongena e-UKZN baqala kulabantu abaphase kakhulu. Baqala 48 points, 47 points, 46 kanjalo kanjalo kanjalo. So i-class mangabe igcwala ku-38 points, wena ukade unawo minimum ka-33 points usuyasala. So angifuni nje ugxile ekutheni minimum uthini cha, wena you're going to do the best that you can. Ungabanje ukuthi manje ngithi 33 points cha. Okay? By now you guys are familiar with the Panama points and it. Okay, our points are hello. Ngabe kodwa uyifeyilile elonge ngesikhathi. Kodwa no ayipasa ayilo point. Okay? So uma ngabe apply UKZN, there are 3 requirements that you need to pay attention to. Guys, ngicela ukuzwa inality. Angifuni umuntu ozongithumela imessage angitshela ukuthi uno-22 points ufuna uku-applyela ini. Ngicela ngilalele ukuthi u-apply into uma ngabe uyiqualifyela kanjani. Sezwana? So thatha i-report lakho, ubheke lama requirements, ubone ukuthi uyaqualify ukuthi uyi-applyele leyo. Ungayi-applyeli into onga-qualifyeli, uyayimosha le application. Sezwana? Yes. Kukhona i-requirement ye-subject. Uma ngabe bethi bafuna i-pure maths, iba nayo i-pure maths. Ungathi ngiphasa i-maths lit ngo-90%, so it's fine. Uzoyi-applyela lento cha. I-maths lit, ne-pure maths akufani. Sezwana? Yes. Ungayi-applyeli uma ngabe ungenayo i-pure maths. 2, i-level of pass yaleyo subject. Uma ngabe kuthiwa bafuna i-pure maths yakho uyiphase ngo-60% nangaphezulu. Make sure ukuthi i-maths yakho uyithola ngo-60% okwangempela. Uke wathola u-59 usushwebile. Ngeke bakuthathe. Sezwana? Mese kuthi esithathu ama-points. Uma ngabe bethi bafuna 32 points, you must get 32 points. Uke wathola 31 ushwebile. Awusaqualify. Sezwana? Yes. These are minimum requirements, meaning when you are eligible to study that particular degree, but it doesn't guarantee you space. Okay? So I guess it's engineering. Engineering is 65%, nangaphezulu, we-maths ne-physics. Check, unayo i-maths, nginayo i-physics. Ngiyawuthola yona 65% kwi-maths ne-physics yami. noma angutho awutholi guys. Okay, angisho ukuthi ungaku-apply but uma wazi uzothola then you can. Kodwa uma ngabe uyifeyile nje izimali ish. I don't know, angifuni ukubona umuhle loyo. Okay? So 65% bese bathi bafuna 33 points. Uma ngabe ukuthi wena i-maths ne-physics yakho uyitholile 65 nangaphezulu washweba ka-points still abakuthatha. Uma ngabe ukuthi wena utholile 33 points wakho abawufunayo wangayithola i-physics ngo-65% wayithola ngo-64 ngeke bakuthatha. Siyezwana? Apply kanjalo. Angisho ukuthi wonke phela ama-degree afuna 65 kwi-maths ne-physics. Akhona amanye anama-reasonable requirements. Yeah. Okay? So abafuna ukwenza law and management, there are 4 years degrees khona. Okay, law is 4 years degree, and then bese kuba khona ama-3 to 4 years degrees for management. Management comprises of ama-degree accounting, business administration, business science in economics, finance, and investment science. So you want a degree now, what's what you want to put on the second thing about your brochure, yeah. More fluent in law. When they look at the requirements, but focus on English, by but focus on English. English, you have to email. As far as you so make sure that your English is a B and above if you can, because for every 90 to 100 AUKZN they give you an extra points, which is how we get to 48 points. Okay? Then management studies, but from 60% degree accounting. For your maths, it has to be 60%. Now, it's hard to global maths leads, but for the pure maths. Okay? Then health sciences, in medicine and surgery is 6 years, but for the maths, physics, life sciences. Maths, physics, life sciences. Uma now any of these subjects, or one, life science, or was we apply the medicine. Says one, you 6 years in degree. Medicine in a competition UKZN fuze ngaphasa ngo-A abafana no-90 kanje. Yeah, or abafana no-90 enjalo. So mawufuna i-medicine standard sakho leso. Then health sciences in general, khona your pharmacy, your dentistry, your audiology, physiology, sports science, nursing, optometry, uningi uzobona kwi-brochure mangabe sengikunika i-nursing iyayithatha i-maths kodwa uma ngabe une-life science. Enye into uma ngabe uzo-applyela i-nursing, I feel like ukhona uzothi uthanda i-nursing yena. I-nursing uma ngabe usuyi-applyela ku-CAO, it has to be your first choice. Ukwayifaka kwenye indawo usuyayishweba. First choice number 1, now 6 choices more apply ku CAO. Khona 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I-nursing kumele ibe 1. Ukwayifaka number 2 uyayishweba. Noma ngabe kuthiwa i-nursing ibiyi-second choice yakho, uphoqelekile ukuthi uyenze number 1 unyusa amathuba ukuthi uthathwe ndawo zombili. Siyezwana? Thank you. And then then there's also engineering. Njengoba kade ngenze example ama-requirements akhona, idingakala i-maths, idingakala i-physics. Khona your civil, chemical, computer, electrical, electronic, mechanical, agricultural, land surveying, wonke ama-engineering is now ngaphandle kwe-mechatronic. 4 years degrees, 65% maths and physics, abadlali, 33 points nangaphezulu, right? Agriculture and science, udingakala i-maths, laba abafuna ukwenza i-agriculture, no biology, marine biology, crop science, plant science, angazine, eniyithandayo, human nutrition, geology, biochemistry, konke lokho fall under agriculture and science. So kunama 3 and 4 years degrees khona, udingakala i-maths, pure maths, then physics or life sciences. So either or, noma ngabe une-maths ne-life science ungangena, noma ngabe une-maths ne-physics ungangena. teaching, foundation phase, intermediate phase, senior phase. The only teaching at the pyramids is the last one, is senior phase. But your intermediate and your foundation phase, you can apply even on Wednesday methods. Then arts and social science, 3 to 4 years degrees. La, uthola khona ama-degree azingo cultural heritage and tourism, music, social sciences, psychology, politics and law. Akhona ama-politician la? Okay. International studies, the one that I studied, visual arts, theology, sociology, and so forth. So just a quick fact about EUKZN student life. We have over 45,000 students on campus, on our campuses, our 5, remember. We have over 200 clubs and societies. Our libraries are open 24 hours, as well as our lands and labs for you to study. We have excellent sporting facilities as well. So your pools, your grounds, your gyms, everything, you can pass we also have a global exchange.
Ngaphansi kwamasipala waseThekwini. Imaphi ama-department eniwaziyo kamasipala? Yiphi department oyaziyo yakamasipala waseThekwini? Department of Education. Ukhona umuntu? Okay. Kwi-department yethu sika-skills and development esikwenzayo njengoba nibona laphana ibhena yami, kodwa ke ngizoba nesikhathi asiqedile mhlawumbe sokusondela uzobuza nanoma ingabe umbuzo ofisa ukubuza nofisa ukukwazi. Esikwenzayo-ke thina kwi-department yethu sidila nokutraina, ukuqeqesha kwezamakhono kuma-programs ahlukene. Uma unothando lokuthi mhlawumbe one day ufuna ukuba i-electrician, ufuna ukuba u-bricklayer, ufuna ukuba uplumber, ufuna ukwenza i-carpet noma i-fitting, izona zinto esizenzayo lezo, siqeqesha kwezamakhono. Kodwa okubalulekile nakhona funa kube ukuthi no-matric uphase kahle, bese we-aplya sithathe uzofunda. Akuthina sonke esiyosebenza ema-ofisi, angithi niyazi. Siyamdinga umuntu ozosifakela ugesi njengoba nibona kukhanya. Siyamdinga umuntu ozosakhela amatafula. Siyamdinga umuntu ozosipendela. Niyazazi lezo zinto? Ama-skills. Siyaqeqesha kuleli khono lakho nalo. Uma ungenalo ikhono nothando laleyo uzoqeqesha, uzube right, uzwazi lo msebenzi. Mawusuqedile uthola isitifiketi kulowo msebenzi, usungakwazi ukuyisebenza nanoma uqashwe ama-companies akho. Engathi niyazi ukuthi kunabantu la ehlala khona uthola ukuthi umuntu uyakwazi ukukhanda imoto, omunye uyakwazi ugesi kodwa akakaze esikoleni. Konke ngogesi nje kuyazi ukuthi endaweni ubizwa ubani azokwenzela aqede umkhokhele kusale kukhanye kwakho. Kodwa ngaleso skill sakho awukwazi mhlawumbe uma ukwazi ukukhanda imoto, angeke uvele usuke ka-Toyota nje ukuthi ngizocela umsebenzi ngiyakwazi ukukhanda imoto. Kuye ka-VW ukuthi hayi mina imoto ngiqala phansi ngize ngiqede ukuthi ngicela ngiqashe. So kufanele kube ukuthi umuntu onesithupha kulowo mkhakha, you are qualified ukwenza leyo nto ukuze bengakhona ukusiza. So thina silekelela into kanjalo, sifundise. Uma kuthiwa wenza iprogram kagesi, ikhona into esikhiphile njengamanje khona evala kusasa ephepheni ekagesi. Kodwa-ke mina nizokwazi next year ngoba kufanele kube tricky. So njengamanje sekwenza umatric unethuba lokuthi ufunde uphase ukuze uzokwazi ekugcineni wenze into oyithandayo nento oyibona othanda ukuyibona iyona esikhathini esizayo. Kuyazwakala. Njengamanje unethuba lokuthi ufunde uphase. Unethuba ningadlali ngethuba njengamanje usenethuba lokwenza into engcono. Ukuze unyaka uzayo uzokwenza into oyithandayo. Njengoba sebeshiloza wethu abavela kuma-universities, umuntu ophase kahle umatric akahambe ngoJanuwari efuna isikole, kuba iy'kole ey'funa yena. Kuyazwakala. Umuntu owenze kahle uphase ngamalengiso umatric akahambe eshiswa ilanga engqongqoza ey'gumeni zemfundo ephakeme efuna isikhala. So usuke nama-offers amaningi wonke ama-universities akhona eSouth Africa. Kube uyena osefanele akhethe ukuthi ufuna ukuya eGoli, ufuna ukuya eCape Town, ufuna ukuba seThekwini, ufuna ukuba se-PE. You understand? So wena okwazi ukukhetha ukuthi no, ngithathiwe UCT because ukuthi ngiyayithanda ufuna ukuya eCape Town, uhambe uye khona kalula. Uma ungaphasanga kahle uyastruglisha. So siyanicela nisenethuba, fundani niphase. Mina ngizonibona ngonyaka ozayo ngama-programs ami. Uma nje sekhona ukuthi ufuna ukwenza ugesi unothando, ufuna ukuba uplumber, sekuqeqesha, uzuqede uthole isitifiketi ubizwe nge-artisan, usuwumuntu o-qualified osengenza lowo msebenzi nanoma yikuphi. Ama-requirements akhona kufanele ube no-matric, uphase kahle. I-maths ayisali. So ngiyazi nenza i-maths, iniseke kakhulu i-maths. Amanye kama-programs esinawo sekwabantu abakhulile kodwa nje ngifuna ukuthinta lawa aqondene nani. Bese siba nohlelo lwebhasari. Sinohlelo lwebhasari esinalo kwamasipala, si-advertise uma sekuzophela unyaka. Njengoba uthi umatric njengamanje ngicela ucheck-e iphepha lethu November, December naku-website. Kodwa ngizonikeza ama-details aphelele lapha etafuleni uma sesiqedile ngenxa yesikhathi ngikwazi ukuthinta zonke izinto ey'kanjalo. Kodwa nje December, November ucheck iphepha iwebsite, sizoyikhipha ibhasari for 2025. U-apply uma sekuzophela unyaka for unyaka osuzolandela. Uma usuqala kunyaka usuza kuthina ne-acceptance letter yase-university ukuthi sewuthathiwe KZN, uthathiwe mangosuthu, DUT and so forth. Uze ne-letter senithathiwe bese siyakhona ukufanda uzuqeda ukufunda. Ibhasari yethu uma uyitholile ikhokhela uqala e-university uzoqeda. Uma ukuthi i-course yakho iwu-4 years noma iwu-5 years, sizokhokhela uzuqeda ukufunda for free, ekhaya ngakhishwa ngisho isente. Wena okwakho uhlale ngesi, sikunikeza imali yokudla, uyafunda, okwakho ufunda uphase. Yabo nje into elula kanjani yakho? Ufunda uphase. Ngoba ibhasari ifuna umuntu ophasayo. Uzuqede ukufunda sikukhokhela. So akhona amathuba amahle for nina ukuthi nje nifunde mina niphase. Yabona okwakho anzima. Ubuyele emuva uyostadisha uphase. Ilokho nje okudingayo. Then sibe noluhlelo ngaphansi kwayibhasari olubizwa nge-Student Relief Fund. I-Student Relief Fund sizokhokhela imali yokurejista kuphela. Nayo sikubuthaza kanye nebhasari uma sizophela unyaka sikhipha kanye kanye. I-Student Relief Fund yona ikhokhela imali yokurejista kuphela. Uthathiwe e-university, awekho amandla ekhaya, kufanele u-apply bese kuzophela unyaka. Nakhona uma sekuqala unyaka 2025 uzoza ne-acceptance letter. Uma ukuthi i-registration fee mhlawumbe ithi 5,000 noma ithi 3,000, sizokukhokhela leyo mali kuphela bese-ke usuyoqhubeka nezinye iy'nhlelo ey'kwazi ukusapotha umfundi, kodwa nje sikhokhe imali yokurejista kuphela. Kanti kwibhasari imali nje yokurejista uqala uyozoqeda ukufunda. Ilokho enginakho for nina. Siyabonga kakhulu uma kukhona imibuzo sikhona lapha etafuleni sokwazi ukuthi sinisize ngapho sesilapha ngenxa yesikhathi emsini uma lapho. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Where we help youth ukuthi i-establish ama-organization afana njengama-NPOs. Also these are youth run organizations. La o-participate khona kuma-programs amaningi afana njengama-camps. So siyawafanda lama-projects lawa aranwa i-youth ukuthi enze umsebenzi wabantu abasha. Siphinde futhi sibe nohlelo lama-youth academies. Ama-youth academies athagetha kakhulu i-youth othola ukuthi mhlampe in conflict with the law, umuntu ayithola mhlampe kanti juvenile center, so wangena kuma-diversion programs, simlekelele umuntu simfake lama-youth academies. Efunde khona kuba khona ugesi, kuba khona i-plumbing nabo hospitality. Siphinde futhi size youth efisa ukuthi nje ibe nama-skills, siyakwazi ukuthi siyilinke futhi. Siphinde futhi sibe nama-youth centers, ama-youth centers ama-walking center. Currently sineyodwa ise-Wentworth. Nakhona uyakwazi ukuthi ufike uma umuntu emusha, sithathe umuntu ono-grade 11 nomuntu ono-grade 12. Bakusiza ukuthi wenze ama-N-level zakho, bekutrayine, ukwazi ukuthi ube ne-skills ukuthi usebenze noma uqasheke wherever. Siphinde futhi sibe nama-youth club. Ama-youth club again siyakusiza ukuthi uregister either a-cooperative noma i-NPO. Remember, sifocus kakhulu kwi-youth out of school. Uma ukuthi nje udecide ukuthi wena awakafuni ukufunda, usafuna ukusiza umphakathi. So siyakulekelela ukuthi uregister, sikucapacitate, uthola ama-training for i-organization yakho lo-registile with whoever emphakathini, ukulekelela umphakathi. So sikutraine, sikucapacitate ngama-trainings amaningi, financial management, productivity management, you name it. Sinilekelela ukuthi-ke nithole i-training phela nikwazi ukwarana nama-organization angafeyili. Sinifande nakhona ukuthalaza ama-funds, sinisize futhi ukuthi nikwazi ukuthola amanye ama-funders yabo ukuze nikwazi ukuthi into ibe sustainable. Niwarane-ke nama-youth club lekelela. In terms of youth development sikangako, remember asikho phela kakhulu kuma-careers, but we try our best ukuthi sisize i-youth kuleyo sector. Nebanazi social development vele i-department edila kakhulu nama-social workers, but kule sector nje yaka-program 5 ila isebenza khona sibizwa ngama-community development practitioners. Sitholakala eThekwini ku-Bunham Street town lapha ukuthi nje ngafisa ukusebenzisana ne-social development unesifiso sokuthuthukisa umphakathi wakini or especially kwi-youth development sakhona. Uswala manje nemibuzo cabanga ukuthi ngcono manize ukuthi sinizo yilokho nje ngiyabonga.
Asikushayeni izandla enkulu aze ngibonga ukubekezela kwenu. Sesifike emaphethelweni e-presentation yethu. Masikhumbula ngithe kuney'lwane eziwu-4 bese ngisibalile sokuqala. Esesibili iy'nyosi. Iy'nyosi zibalulekile kakhulu emphakathini, ziyahamba ziyofuna la khona ushukela, zibuye zizogada iqueen yazo. Zisebenza ngokuzikhandla, ziprotect iqueen, ziprotect nabantwana futhi ezweni. Now kunabantu abafana lakuthina ney'nyosi, hamba ufunda lelapho laka-CEO buka ama-careers. Bona bakhulumayo nje bakhulu bese buka ama-careers under laphaya ukuthi lawo ma-careers awekho associated nama-abilities wakho. Bese siba nokhozi futhi nalo kunama-abilities athile ukuthi ndizela phezulu cishe kufane ne-honey guide inhlaba. Uma ubuka ama-careers angaphansi lapho ubuka indlela endidescribe ngayo lapha uzobuka ama-abilities wakho, ubuke your skills ukuthi awahambisani yini nalama animals engiwabalulayo la. Lokho kuzokusiza to identify, to choose into ozokuma usuyichuzile ingakubhuli, ozosebenza kuyona from 8 until 5. Uzofika emsebenzini uhleka, ungena phela ungagxilekile, kodwa usuphuma uhleka. Angithi yabona into enjalo? Because abantu abangachuza imisebenzi e-wrong bashona yes, bashona emsebenzini. So I wouldn't want to see any of you la choose a career wrongly because we choose isigijima, choose ngomngani, no, sibheke wena, search thoroughly ukuthi ama-skills akho ayini, ufika uphethe ini la emhlabeni, ikephi la ugood khona, and then focus leyo nto leyo because yona ezokuphendlela indlela ukuthi yini ekumele ukuthi uyifundele ezoba usizo futhi emphakathini. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. I think futhi lokugcina le ngilethayo ngibonga ukubambisana kwami nami ne-Pika njengamanje ngicela ukusondeza umphathi ophethe mina noLundu kanye nabanye abasebenzi abakhona la phakathi bakamasipala Ubaba Madia is the manager of the sasakhiwo esilapha ngaphesheya in-library. Okay.
Mayville Secondary School, Durban University of Technology, Mangosuthu University of Technology, University of KwaZulu-Natal, Italian Municipal Academy, Libraries and Heritage Department, Department of Social Development, Learners of Mayville Secondary School and Teachers, Sound Engineers at the back. Guys, siyabonga kakhulu ngokuba khona kwenu namhlanje. Ukuba khona kwenu kwenzele program ebeplaniwe libraries working with ubumbano lwentsha ibe impumelelo. So siyabonga kakhulu colleagues. Nje nangelinye ilanga singathanda ukuthi siphinde sisebenze nani socela nje ukuthi mangabe siphinda singqongqoza ngelinye ilanga niphinde nisivulele njengoba nenzile. Bengihlezi laphana ngemuva nami bekade ngifunda bengiwumfundi. Ngimzwile uMsingema from Elangeni College ukuthi you can be your own guys by using ama-relevant skills akhona. Asingathathi kancane ukusebenzisa amakhono. In our days nje kulesikhathi esiphila kusona izona zinto ezibalulekile okusetshenzwa ngazo kakhulu kulesikhathi samanje. Dr. Mayeza will touch a very important aspect, a point entry system, choices grade 12. Number 1, or number 2, or number 3. Your best choices. You want about consider is almost a plus from MUT. But align yourself. Marks all now currently. 1 hour stay at grade 11. Now the choice is number 1, number 2, number 3, or to iPhone at the university, number 8 college. The passing rate, marks, it's no longer 3 or 4. Really, umangabe uthwele ufuna university, 50% and above. Mrs. Mbata from UKZN, ukhulumile guys what emails, nemets literates. It's different. When I do not say what I am doing, when they say it's pure maths, it's pure maths. When they say it's 60% and above, it's 60% and above. Emma, we're Municipal Academy guys, learnerships, Pasa guys, so tell a job for an email. Yabonga kakhulu mphathi wahlelo.